Good morning to all. We are in chapter 6 Factors and Multiples. We are doing the verification of divisibility test. To our fifth number is verification of divisibility by 5. Which number is can be divisible by 5? If the digits in unit place is 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5. It means if any number, the unit place should be 0 and 5, then only the number is divisible by 5. For example, here question is given 47,985. Given number is 47,985. So what is the unit place? Unit place digit is equal to 5. Therefore 47,905 is divisible by 5. Here unit place is coming 5. If the unit place is coming 0, then also the number can be divisible by 5. Now second question, 94,357. So here unit place digit is 7. Therefore 94,357 is not divisible by 5. The unit place digit should be 0 and 5. Now verification of divisibility by 10. What number can be divided by 10? So if any number has 0 in its unit place, then only the number is divisible by 10. Any number have 0 in unit place. So here 94,970. Here unit place has 0. Therefore 94,970 is divisible by 10. Here second example is 74,934. So here unit place digit is equal to 4. There is no 0. Therefore 74,934 is not divisible by 10. Verification. Seventh one is verification of divisibility by 4. Which number can be divided by 4? So if the number made by tens and unit place digits of any number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4, or tens and unit place has zeros, therefore the number is divisible by 4. It means tens and unit place digit make number and this number is divisible by 4, then the given number is also divisible by 4. Or if tens and unit place having 0, then the number is divisible by 4. And let's understand by example questions. So 79,412. So here tens place is equal to 1 and unit place is equal to 2. So number made by both places. What number? 1 and 2? 12. What is the number made by tens and unit place? Is 12. तो 12 is divisible by 4. Fourth, in the table of 4, 12 is coming. 12 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 79,412 is also divisible by 4. Now, in second question, 1300. So, tens place is equal to 0. Unit place is equal to 0. So, here tens and unit place having zeros. Therefore, 1300 is divisible by 4. The number should have both in tens place and unit place zeros. Then 1300 is divisible by 4. Now, our third example is 4135. Here tens place is 3 and units place is 5. So, number made by both places is equal to 35. Number made is 35. So, 35 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, 4135 is not divisible by 4. Here tens and unit place making number which should always divisible by 4. Then only the given number is divisible by 4. But here 35 is not divisible by 4 completely. Therefore, 4135 is also not divisible by 4. Now, 8th, verification of divisibility by 8. Here, if the number made by units, tens and hundred place of digits of any number is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8, or the number contains 0 in all these 3 places, then also the number is divisible by 8. In divisibility of 4, what we have done? Tens and unit place. But in divisibility by 8, we have to take unit, tens and hundred place. 3 places, last 3 places we have to take. This we will understand by example. First one is 31,21,816. So here 100 place is equal to 8, tens place is equal to 1, units place is equal to 6. So number made by these places is equal to 816. So 816 is divisible by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 0 ja 0 and 8 2 ja 16. It is completely divisible by 8. Therefore, 816 is divisible by 8. So, 31,21,816 is also divisible by 8. Now second example is 31,000. Here 100 place is equal to 0, tens place is equal to 0, units place is equal to 0. So here all the three places at the last having zeros, therefore 31,000 is divisible by 8. Now third example is 12,317. To 100th place is 3, tens place is 1, units place is 7. So number made by these places is equal to 317. So 317 we have to divide by 8. To 8 3 are 24. 31 minus 24, answer is 7. Now 77, to 8 9 are 72. To 5 is remaining. Therefore, it is not completely divided by 8. So 317 is not divisible by 8. Therefore, 12,317 is not divisible by 8. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8, then only the given number is divisible by 8. Now your homework is question number 1. Check whether the following numbers are divisible by 5 or not. First one is 3,140, second one is 4,952. Second question is check whether the following numbers are divisible by 10 or not. First one is 9,470, second one is 3,216. Third question is check whether the following numbers are divisible by 4 or not. First one is 46,116, second one is 34,700, third one is 97,215. Now fourth question is check whether the following numbers are divisible by 8 or not. First question is 14,832, second question is 71,000, third question is 16,913.